The purpose of this video is to show you how easily you can change your item layout in Paladin. Now let me just show you real quick what we determine, or what we call, the item layout. Each item that you produce has a different layout of information that would be on it based on what you need to produce that item. So for the box die, this is what we call the item layout. It shows up on the order, and you would be able to populate in machine specifications. You'd be able to populate default information for the machine. And then the other boxes would be places where the customer service rep would apply information for that specific item or that specific order. So first of all, to go in and make a change to the item layout for the box die, we simply go to inventory, we click on the box die, and then we click on item designer. And this shows us the layout for the item design for the box die. Now I'm going to add a new field called CAD orientation. And this is going to be a field to let the customer service rep put in information about, is this a print side up, print side down CAD file. So we click on new field, and we give the field a name. We'll call it a CAD orient, and it's for CAD orientation. Now this field is a text field, and we're going to give it a tag, call it CAD file is, and then we're going to put in what our values are. This is going to limit us to what the customer service rep gets to choose from in the values. First of all, let's make this field a little bit bigger. Let's make it 10. I say let's make it 15 characters long. And then we start adding our options. So we say print side up, then we say print side down, and then there's a couple other things that we can do. One is we can make this a required entry field. By checking here, we're going to make this field have to have something in it before the order can be released into production. So we'll check that box now. And now that we have our field defined, all we have to do is take it and drag it down into our drawing or into our item layout. And where we put the field is going to determine what order the customer service reps will be adding information. Paladin works left to right, top to bottom. So any two fields that are on the same line, we'll start with the left one, it'll pop to the right one, then it'll here, to here, to here, so forth and so on. So now that we've added that field, let's save our layout. And then let's go over and look at our order that we had open. And our field is now there. And that is how easy it is in Paladin to customize your item layouts. You can do this without the assistance of your vendor, Paladin software, and you can do this in a matter of minutes. So once you design your system and once you design your item layouts, you don't have to worry about missing a field, or what if I need to change a field or add a field. And you can also, one of the advantages of being able to do this is that you can use your terminology as to what you want this field to look like and what you want to call a field, so that your users don't have to get used to new terminology because you get a new system. They get to use the terminology that you've used all along. So this shows us how easy it is to go into Paladin and customize and modify our item layout. Thanks for spending time and watching this short video.